Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I'm back with another video, and in today's video we have a controller. This is for a PlayStation 5 controller. The model for this one is a Cfi-Zct1w. That information can be found right at the bottom, right here in the middle. And in this video I'm gonna go over how you can replace or remove the battery for rechargeable battery in here. If yours is not charging, I'll leave the link for a new batteries you can purchase. And you can replace it at home. Is really easy. It takes really literally, I would say 3 to 4 minutes or 5 minutes, depending how fast you are. And so to keep this video short, let's get it started. The tools that you're gonna need is a screwdriver set. I'll be using an UFIXTEK screwdriver set, as they have one of the best bids out there. You need to get a basic screwdriver set. If you get a pro set, they will include you with an opening tools and tweezers. If not, get the basic. You want to use a Phillips 00. And for the opening tool, I'll be using a guitar pick. Metallic guitar picks are really suitable to opening cases and covers. Alright, with this tool in hand, let's go ahead and start. First, we're going to remove this bezel, and the black bezel right in here. To remove it, we're going to start from the corner. So first, what we're going to do here, we're going to stick the opening tool right on the back, and we're going to lift it up gently, bring it like that. Do the same thing in here, lift it up, bring it. And now we're going to work in the inside here, and we're going to just twist it a little bit. Twist it, and that's it. Once you twist it, now we're going to lift it up from here side, bring it up, forward a little bit, work it around, and pull it towards yourself a little bit. You want to lift it from here and bring it up. Don't yank it upward all the way, otherwise you're going to break here. So you want to pull it a little backward in 45-degree angle. You want to bring it out. You can use a toothbrush to clean it up. Once we remove this one, now we're going to go ahead and remove this R1 and L1. From the top end, from this side, not from the bottom, from here, we want to stick it right there, opening tool, and we're just going to flick it like this. And it should remove the whole thing. Same thing in here. Do it like that. And there we have it. Now we're going to remove 2 screws on the top part under the R1 and R1 and L1. So go ahead and remove these 2 screws. All the screws are the same size and height, so don't worry about mismatching them. And we're going to remove 1 screw on each bottom corner in here. So go ahead and remove those. Okay, once you remove these screws, now there's 2 triggers in here, one right here, one right here. We need to open these ones, so we need to do that like this. Bring it upward a little bit, just a little degree, like a 1 or 2 degree, just it goes down. Next, all you need to do is just separate them and bring it up, separate, and separate. It makes a little tiny click. Now you want to bring the bottom side upward and push it towards the back side like that. And right away you can see the big chunky battery right here. You want to lift up the battery right there and pull the jack outward. And there we have it. So the battery specification is right in here. The model is an LIP1708. Okay, and this is a 3.65 volt and 1560 milliamp hour battery, 5.7 watt. So I'll try to get the link for these ones. The new battery, once you get the new battery, pretty much the jack only goes in one way. So you want to put the connector right in there, straight inside the jack, and put the flat side of the battery inside the tray. You want to grab the bottom cover. You want to scoop down. You want to scoop it in 45 degree, the L1 and R2 clicks right there. You want to scoop it right in there and set it down push it down, and then push the back in and squeeze it really hard, both together. And squeeze this corner, make sure these triggers go in nicely, just like that. This one and this one. Okay, next you want to put the 4 screws that you removed, 2 on the bottom side and 2 under the clicks on the top. All right, next, to put these buttons in, so obviously R1 is the right one. You want to make sure it goes in with a curve. So you see this tray right in here, this flat part? The flat part goes right in the middle, just set it right in there, and then push it inward, 1 push, and that's it. Same thing in here. You want to bring it flat side in, and then you want to push it down, and it will just grab it right through. To put the bottom bezel on the top bezel, you want to put the corner side, this side and this side, under the trackpad right there, and then bring it down in 45 degrees while you're pushing it inward, wiggle it around, and it should find its way into the cover. And then just simply push down the sides and push the middle. It will just make a nice tiny clicks, and it will go right in place. And this is how you remove or replace your battery for your PS5 controller. If you guys have any question or requests, feel free to leave them in a video comment. If you want to support the channel, you can click that like and subscribe, and I greatly appreciate it. It helps and motivates me to make more videos, take requests, and answer your questions in the comment area. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.